But we're also watching American Airlines. They reached a confidential agreement with Boeing over damages incurred last year due to the grounding of the airline's 737 MAX aircraft fleet. American grounded its planes in March after those two fatal crashes that killed 346 people. Those were other airlines that the planes crashed. Joining us now is Alexis Keenan. And so what does this mean? Why would this be confidential? Why wouldn't they give us the number?
You know, Adam, usually these deals are confidential, and Boeing has a lot more work to do on this front. They have to reach agreements with many airlines that had already taken deliveries and are awaiting deliveries of the MAX aircraft. But as so far, we know that American has reached this settlement. So has, according to Reuters, Aeromexico. These deals, as you said, confidential. What they cover is financial damages for the 2019 grounding. Anything coming in the future, that would have to be negotiated at a later date. In a press release, American said that these payments will be received over time, actually over several years, but that it will include a $30 million chunk to go into its profit-sharing program with its employees, and they expect to distribute that money to employees in March of this year. They will also, they reportedly said that they would continue to talk with Boeing for any ongoing negotiations as the grounding continues to affect American and other airlines. Also, Boeing is reassigning employees that work on the MAX. They have approximately 3,000 employees that work on the MAX in anticipation of that production line shutdown that's supposed to happen sometime this month. I talked to Boeing earlier this morning. They would not give me a date on which the production stop-down will take effect. They said they might have some information later on today, but they really want to let employees know what's going to happen before they let external media and others know about when that date and when those reassignments will happen. They said that the employees will be reassigned to work on wide-body aircraft in their Everett, Washington facility. That's the 777, 787, 767, and the 747 aircraft. We're hearing that Spirit Aerosystems, now this is a supplier to Boeing. They're responsible for making 70% of the 737 fuselage, so a huge supplier for Boeing. They are reporting that they have offered all of their union workers a voluntary layoff. In a letter from the CEO that was posted by KSN News, the CEO said that they anticipated that these MAX production rates would be lower from what they said, quote, an extended period of time. That letter also said that Spirit did not have any clarity as of yet on the timing for resuming MAX production or a firm production rate schedule, even when the production line does go back into effect. That company's stock fell 16% in December. Adam?